All right, boys and girls, here we are, April 20th, 2022. Back in the saddle, Kern River Canyon, Pack Saddle Trail. This is the small saddle, and this is the point where you start bushwhacking. So here we go. I'm not gonna stop at the first spot here. I'm going to the sweet spot this morning. It took me an hour to get to the saddle. That was pretty good. I think I seem to remember it taking 2 hours last time. That can't be right, because I just don't know. Must have got my numbers confused on that last trip. So I'm happy with getting up here in an hour. That's pretty good. So anyway, hoping to see some zoomies today. All right, let's get going. I got jeans on today. It was cold and windy at the trailhead. I get up here, there's no wind. The sun's up now, so it's warming up pretty quick. But I didn't want my legs getting scratched up by this nasty looking brush. This stuff is pretty sharp. All right, let's stop. Make sure I didn't lose my water bottle on that one. Yeah, see, this is, you're really gonna get scratched up here on this if you're in shorts. All right. All right, here we go. Got to a really thick spot. Now we've broken out into the open. Little mini saddle in between viewpoints. Ooh, nice campsite here. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think we're getting close. Yeah, it's like another 150 yards. Another great campsite. Whew. Almost there. Oh yeah, look at that. Whew. We are here. Rock and roll. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Okay, break time. Wow. Alrighty, here we are again. I rested up a little bit. I am at the sweet spot here, Kern River Canyon, at least the one known sweet spot anyway. That wasn't a bad hike. It only took me an hour to get to the saddle and another 10 minutes of some serious bushwhacking, but you know, not bad for a 55-year-old guy. Kind of proud of myself on that time. Be interested in see what the time is going downhill. But anyway, here's the view. I do have my scanner with me. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. I got all my batteries with me, but I usually don't pick anything up. I mean, very little, maybe 2 or 3 check-ins, but the scanner's pretty useless here, surprisingly enough. So we'll see what happens. It's about 20 minutes to 9 right now. I'm probably going to hang out until about 2:30 or 3, and then the light will be such that the photos won't be that great. There's room up here for probably, well, maybe I shouldn't say this, but there's more room up here than I really expected there to be. But with all the rock, as you can see here, it's very easy to twist your ankle up here. That I can see happening.